What we see in the chemical industry globally is that over the coming 10-20 years there will be more and more dominance by Asian industry, by Asian market and by Asian player. So therefore for those European players that would like to compete against new competition from Asia, from the Middle East, we recommend that they establish a footprint which includes also the customer proximity to their local customers, which is also based on competitive cost position, which is based on a innovative technology or innovative network of partners that collaborate and that help to position in this market against newly upcoming competitors.